This video is a short introduction about Urdu language. In this video, we will look at some basic information about Urdu language and the country where Urdu language is mostly spoken.
Urdu language is the national language of Pakistan and is closely related to and mutually intelligible with Hindi. Though a lot of Urdu vocabulary comes from Persian and Arabic, while Hindi contains more vocabulary from Sanskrit. Linguists consider Standard Urdu and Standard Hindi to be different formal registers, both derived from the Karibuli dialect, which is also known as Hindustani. At an informal spoken level, there are few significant differences between Urdu and Hindi, and they could be considered varieties a single language. Urdu is also spoken in Afghanistan, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Botswana, Fiji, Germany, Guyana, India, Malawi, Mauritius, Nepal, Norway, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Thailand, the UAE, the UK, and Zambia. Urdu language has been written with a version of Persian Arabic script since the 12th century. The word Urdu is Turkish for foreign or Horda. So learning Urdu will benefit you to understand the nation of Pakistan and India, or Urdu speakers and also Hindi speakers. Actually, they are same languages, but the difference is the writing system and the country. They call with different names. If you learn Urdu, then you can also understand Hindi, and it will also help you to get closer to the Arabic language, because Urdu language has many imported words from Arabic. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this short information about Urdu language. With the next video, we will start learning Urdu language together, and I will try to make it easy for you guys, so no need to worry about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Language Animated channel. See you soon.